Good morning everyone. In today's video, we are going to study about laws of exponents. Let's start with law 1. That is multiplying powers with the same base.
If p is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then p raised to the power m into p raised to the power n is equals to
p raised to the power m plus n. So according to this law, if base of the two exponents are same, then we will add those powers. Let's understand this law by an example. You have to simplify minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 7 into minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 5. So according to this law, if base are same, that is in this case minus 2 by 3. So here you have minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, that is same base. Here you have same base, therefore you will add these powers. So you will get minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 7 plus 5, which is equals to minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 12. So your answer is minus 2 by 3 to the power 12. Let's solve another question. Here you have to simplify this. Minus 8 raised to the power 5 multiply by minus 8 raised to the power 3. In this question also you have same base. So what you will do? You will simply add these powers. So you will get minus 8 raised to the power 5 plus 3. In next step you will get minus 8 raised to the power 8. When you will add 5 plus 3 you will get 8. Now let's understand law second, which is dividing powers with the same base.
if p is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then p to the power m divided by p to the power n is equals to p to the power m minus n.
So in this law, when you have same base and different power with division sign between, then you will simply subtract those exponents. Let's understand with an example. Simply you have to simplify 4 raised to the power 12 divided by 4 raised to the power 7. So in this case again you have same base. So what you will do? You will simply subtract these exponents. So you will get 4 raised to the power 12 minus 7. So you will get 4 raised to the power 5. Now let's solve another question. You have to simplify p to the power 12 divided by p to the power 25. Again you have same base, so you will use law second to solve this question. So what you will do? You will simply subtract these powers. So you will get p raised to the power minus 13. So when you will subtract 12 minus 25, you will get minus 13. So your answer is p raised to the power minus 13.
Now let's understand law third.
And law third is 0 as exponents.
So in this law, if p is a rational number, then p raised to the power
0 is equals to 1. So if any base has its exponent as 0, so answer of whole exponential form is equals to 1. Let's understand with an example. You have to find the value of 9 raised to the power 0 plus 7 raised to the power 0. As we know that according to law third, if any base has 0 as a power, so its answer is 1. So you will get 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2. Now let's solve another question. You have to find the value of 6 raised to the power 0 into 7 raised to the power 0. So you will follow law third, which states that if the base has its exponent as 0, so its answer will be 1. So you will get 1 into 1, which is equals to 1. Now let's understand law 4. Law 4 is taking power of power.
So if p is a rational number and m and n are natural numbers, then p raised to the power m to the power n is equals to
p to the power m into n. So according to this law, p to the power m whole to the power n is equals to p to the power m into n. It means that if any exponential form has its own power, then those power will be multiplied. Let's understand with an example. Suppose you have to simplify 5 raised to the power 3 whole to the power 4. So according to law 4, if an exponential form has its own power, then the power will be multiplied. So how will solve? You will simply multiply these exponents. So you will get 5 to the power 12. So your answer is 5 to the power 12.